If an attorney holds funds belonging to a client, that attorney will often deposit those funds in a client trust account. But when may an attorney pay him or herself from those funds? An attorney faced professional penalties for early withdrawal in the Matter of Warhaftig. Attorney Arnold Warhaftig practiced real estate law. When a real estate transaction closed, he deposited the funds into his client trust account, pending a final accounting and distribution. The Office of Attorney Ethics audited Warhaftig's client trust account and discovered that he'd been withdrawing money from client trust accounts for his own use before the closings, meaning before he'd earned his fees. He would then replace the client's money when the transaction closed and he received the proceeds. If a transaction fell through, he replaced the money with his own funds. In addition to the routine accounting records, he kept a list of the funds he advanced to himself. When Warhaftig was informed of the audit, he deposited funds into the trust accounts to bring them current. At an ethics committee hearing, Warhaftig admitted what he did and acknowledged that it was wrong. He explained that he was suffering financial difficulties due to a decline in his real estate practice, his wife's cancer, and his son's psychiatric issues. He also argued that he didn't hurt anyone. The Ethics Committee presented the case to the Disciplinary Review Board, arguing that Warhaftig had failed to comply with the disciplinary rules' record-keeping provisions, and that he misappropriated client funds, also a disciplinary rule violation. The board concluded that his conduct didn't constitute misappropriation because clients never went without their funds. Based on mitigating factors, including his years as an upstanding member of the bar and his cessation of his advancing himself funds, the board recommended a public reprimand. One board member dissented, arguing that Warhaftig's borrowing of client funds constituted misappropriation, warranting his disbarment. The New Jersey Supreme Court considered the board's recommendation.